Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn Tokelau words for things you see around the house. Are you ready? Let's start. Fale means house. Fale, house. Faitotoka means door. Faitotoka, door. Famalama means window. Famalama, window. Nofoa means chair. Nofoa, chair. Hokaata means mirror. Hokaata, mirror. Kapeta means carpet. Kapeta, carpet. Naihui means knife. Naihui, knife. Dui means fork. Dui, fork. Alunga means pillow. Alunga, pillow. Balahi huhulu niho means toothbrush. Balahi huhulu niho, toothbrush. Wow, you did amazing, class. See you tomorrow.